We'll be back. Welcome again. My name is Khalil. We're going to find the atomic parking factor for FCC. So let's draw our cube. Simple as ABCD. Okay. So this is the cube. Okay. So for face, each side of the face of the cube has its own atom. So here upper face it has atom. Here has atom. Here at the bottom has atom. Here atom. At the down atom we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this side we have atom, so it is 6. The pace of atom is cube is 6, so each pace has its own atom. So another, each end of the side has its own atom, like a previous ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this for the face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6. No, this one is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So since here is R, and then here is R. Here is A. Sorry. Here is A, and also here is A. Okay. So, and we know that here is 4R, since here diameter. So the length of here is 4R, and here is A, here is A. Okay, so to find our N, we can now say N is equal to, for the phases is 6, and each one of them contribute 1/6. For the atom of the end of each side it's 8, and each one of them contribute 1/8. So therefore 8 plus 8 times 1/8 plus here is 6. 6 times 1/2. Each one of them contribute 1/2. So from here we can say N is equal to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. So our N is 4. Okay. So BA over BC is atomic parking factor, and VA is equal to N 4/3 phi R cube. Since BA, volume of atom, and atom is the shape of atom is sphere, and the volume of sphere is 4/3 phi R cube, and then BC is equal to A cube, since the volume of cube is A times A times A, which is equivalent to A cube. So our aim is to find the relationship between A and R. Our mission, sorry. Okay, so to find the relationship between A and r using Pythagoras. 4r all square is equal to a square plus a square. Therefore 4, we can just simplify. 16r square is equal to 2a square. We can now say a square is equal to 16r square all over 2, and a is equal to 4 16r square all over root of 16r square all over root of 2, and a is equal to 4r all over root 2. Okay, so this is the relationship between a and r, and from here our n is 4. We can now say atomic packing factor is equal to BA over BC, and our BA is n. Our n is 4 times 4 over 3 pi r cube all over BC. Our BC is a cube, and our a is 4r over root 2 over 3. Okay, let's simplify. Okay, so we can just say 4 times 4 over 3 pi r cube divided by 64r cube all over 2 root 2. So 16 pi r cube over 3 times 2 root 2 all over 64 r cube. Then r go with r cube goes with r cube, and 64 divided by 16 is 4. Here 1, here 4. Okay, so pi times 2 root 2 all over 3 times 12, 4, and here 1, here 2, and we can now say 5 times root 2 all over 6, and the value of 5 is 3.142 times root 2 all over 6. Just press it in calculator. So 3.142 times root 2 divided by 6. Okay, the answer is 0.74, so which is equivalent to 74% times 100. So that is the end of this solution. So don't forget to subscribe for more at KHALEEL channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.